She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing some twists with a little different look. I posted these on my Instagram and someone had called them French Island twists, and I thought the name was very fitting, so that's what we're going to call these. They're practically boho twists, but we're using different hair for the twists and for the curls. So in the very back, my cousin told me to not put any of the curly hair in the twist because if you're used to synthetic curls or sometimes curly hair in general, then you know that they tend to mat up and tangle easy in the nape area. So to avoid that, you can just skip 2 or 3 rows of your twist without putting any curly pieces, especially since they don't show in the back anyways. We're using round parting instead of box partings, but either one will work for this style. The hair that we're using for the twist is this Marley Afro Kinky Crochet hair. It's from Amazon and it is linked down below. It comes in 4 packs, which should be enough for a whole head. And we use the colors 30 and the color 4. And the hair is 18 inches. The hair pretty much is already sectioned out, and so for the most part I just use 1 strand for each twist. So I just take 1 strand and split it into 2, cross it over together to start it as a braid. So I'm just starting this as a regular 3-strand braid, and then I braid it down about 1 inch or so. Once I have it braided down and secured for my base, then I'm going to take one of the 3 sections and split that into 2. Then just join each one with the other 2 sections. So now I have 2 strands to do my twist. Make sure you're twisting each strand as you're twisting them together because you want the twist to be tight. We do not want them to be loose, especially since we'll be adding curly hair pieces in this. For the curly hair, I'm using this French curly loose wave hair, which is also from Amazon and linked below. The bundle that we have comes with both color 30 and 33, which was a close enough match for the Marley hair. The hair does come really long, so it has to be cut in half 2 times, which means after cutting this 2 times, you will have 4 sections. So this is about the length of each curly hair piece that is added after it was cut. And I'm twisting in maybe 1/3 of it into the twist and then leaving the rest out. These will slide out easy, so you want to make sure you're securing a good enough length. I purposely began putting in the curls further down on the twist. Again, this is just to keep as much curls away from the nape area so that it doesn't tangle. The higher up on her head that I get, then the further up I'll start adding in the curls or closer to her head. So you guys see, like the first couple of twists that I didn't add any of the curly hair pieces, and then now this kind of like, I would count this as a row that I'm doing. I'm adding the pieces further down still to give it some room away from the nape area. So then the next row up, I'll start putting it a little bit closer towards her head. And the way I add in the curly hair pieces is just by laying both ends of the strands flat up against both ends of the twist that I'm already doing. And then I just continue to twist as normal. I probably do this a couple times, and then I'll take the long piece or the long end of that curly hair piece and leave that one out. And then I just continue to twist as normal until I get pretty close to the ends. Now, this is completely up to you if you want to just twist it all the way to the ends. I ended up adding another curly piece to the ends of these, so I'm doing basically the same thing, except this time I'm not taking any of the piece, I'm not leaving any of the pieces out. I'm just going to twist it all the way down until practically the Marley hair is about finished, and then I'm going to take a tiny little section of hair and loop it around to create a knot 2, 3, or 4 times. And this is how the ends look when they are done. So I think I used the Marley hair. I tried to use the Marley hair to create the knot, but you can still use the curly hair to create the knot if you don't have enough of the Marley hair there left at the ends. But the Marley hair is going to create a more secure knot since that hair is a little bit more textured or rougher, so that way the knot does not come unraveled. So as you guys can see, now we're like further up on her head, and the higher up on her head you guys see the curls are now being added a little bit sooner. So all in all, I believe I added about, I want to say 4 pieces of curly hair, just to give you guys a guide if you're wanting some type of like curly look that's similar to this. So I did 4 pieces of the curly hair on each twist strand. So that's 3 pieces of curly hair throughout the strand, 1 piece of curly hair at the very ends. Okay, so here is the final result. I did not blend or mix the colors together, as you guys can see. So each twist is just one color. And then I did, of course, you can mix your colors or you can blend the colors together if you wanted. But for each strand, I just did one individual color. And then I did match up the curly hair pieces colors with the twist colors, if that makes sense. So like the lighter color for the curly hair, I put it on the lighter color for the twist. So my cousin had did this style on herself once before, and I told her that I would do it this time around. I thought you guys would enjoy it, and I just thought it was something different and cute. So yeah, if you like this style or you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, and stay filled with love and peace.